Okay, everyone, let's start. Welcome everyone who is able to join us today for our AMA session. We've been waiting for it for so long. It's been a while since our last AMA session, and I'm so pleased to announce that today we're going to talk about staking. And we have two guests today who will be replying to all of your questions. These are Nico and Dmitry. We have the questions
Hi,
related.
everybody.
Yeah. Nico, if you could switch on video, feel free to do it anytime. Okay. So guys, let's start with the first question, which is, will it be possible to integrate UBSN into UBIStake, and will this yield actual staking rewards like with UBX?
Okay, I can answer this question. And it's sure, moreover, all UBIX network tokens, all that you can trade at UBIX exchange are going to be added gradually to the new version of UBIStake. And of course, all users that stake their UBSN or other tokens will receive profit from staking, as it is with UBX token. And all the details regarding API, APY, we will provide a little bit later, I think in December.
Okay. Is DevOps and CI/CD being used at this project? And if so, please elaborate on tools and how it's being used. Oh, it's a very technical question.
It's for Nikolay.
Yes. Most product service deploy is images in K8s clusters. This is a very functional and flexible tool for publishing application. We use several different clusters for our services. For development and testing, we have a cluster that collect and publishes the code completely automatically. To update the product cluster image are selected that have a successfully passed L stage of testing and have show the greatest stability. Product cluster update only manually.
All right. Do you have something to add, Dmitry?
No, Nika told everything regarding this question.
Okay, guys, when will the withdrawal confirmation email finally be transferred from MMA to the UBIStake domain? Do you have an answer to this question as well?
I got it. As far as I'm concerned, it will be implemented in the next update, security update, which is scheduled to the mid of December too.
Oh, so by the end of the year, we're going to have that.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And what kind of metrics are being used to validate the implementation? Unit tests, integration tests, something else?
Nikolay, I think it's for you question.
Yes. From a backend view, every new feature is unit tested. After merging into the project, integration testing of the system is done. At the site of the user interface, semi-automated testing is mainly done. That is part of the interface and functionality is checked using scripts, and part is manually tested of the moment. The result product also undergoes a certain testing will team and user to vary requirements.
Okay, and what are your plans for UBXM?
I think it's for me, and the question is better sounds like what our plans for UBIStake in general. Some of you already know that we released a new roadmap for the end of this and part of next year, and it includes the following. First and the most major update is that you will be able to stake all UBIX ecosystem tokens. Besides, the projects will solve the problem of daily and weekly distribution of rewards by means of new payment mechanism. And I'm sure it will be more convenient for users to participate in the staking process. Other than that, we want to improve our applications. to provide the notifications feature and online chat directly in the user's account, all one place without having to find support by mail, for example, or messages. Among that, we're going to develop new features like affiliate program and other, and the whole info will be provided in the next roadmap, the end of the 2023.
There's going to be an affiliate program.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Do you have something to tell us, or it's still in development?
It is still in development, but as you understand from the name, users will earn more commissions by advertising this service.
Like attracting other users.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
and
really
the
cool.
Ecosystem will grow much faster, I think.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, yeah, the partners program, usually they help grow the community and also the amount of users of any service. Does the team follow an internal SW development process? Is there any process we're following?
Nico, development process.
Yes. Most of all, we use an iterative software development model where task lists are grouped into sprints, and in small cycles, the service get new functionality and get rid of errors and bugs. Corporate Jira is used to manage all processes.
Okay. Do you, apart from affiliate program I've heard about, you just said, how do you plan on attracting more users?
I think it's the question to you, Tasha. As far as I know, you are preparing a really interesting marketing campaign soon. And if you wish to add something, please, you're welcome.
Yeah, well, actually, it's a question more like for me. Well, actually, we're going to work together with Dmitry on that.
Right.
Because, well, he's a project manager, so he's going to be responsible for, and he's going to set tasks to me, like what's the goal, how many users can we have, and how do we attract them, and maybe we'll have some joint ideas. Well, affiliate program is obviously one of the best ideas that can come in any project related to crypto in this market or any other market, or it's just historically. Apart from that, we're going to have an advertisement campaign, obviously. What I really rely on the affiliate program. I think it's one of the best tools currently. Actually, we're going to have an affiliate program on UBIX, and it's going to be a united affiliate program for all of our projects. Well, currently, as you may currently, as you may understand yourself, well, and I lost my idea. Sorry for that.
It's okay. You provided more than needed, I think.
So I was saying, yeah, so it's going to be something something joint among our community. We're going to have more activities for you. They're coming up. We've just had, in addition to our team, we have a person who's going to work on social media, and we're going to attract some other firms from outside who's going to help us with that. Well, yeah, we have a lot of ideas, and we have a lot coming up right now. We're just trying to stabilize what's going on and develop a new software for you. But as you know, so I got the idea back. So as you know, staking is more for those of you who are already using UBIX and other coins of the project. It's not actually something that you can offer to external users, but we're planning on attracting more users to UBIX. So it's going to be like step by step. That's what we have now. Yeah.
Great, thank you.
When can we deposit UBSN on UBIStake to receive rewards?
As I said before, and as far as I'm concerned, we are almost done with the new functionality implementation, and we are going to release it in December, just to our users, like some kind of present to New Year party. We should test it right now more thoroughly and find there are some bugs, glitches, so let's be in touch and follow us, and you will hear good news soon.
Okay, I think that was it for the questions that we received from the community. If there is anything else that you'd like to add, guys, this is the right time to do that.
I think we told about everything we are planning in implementing into UBIStake soon. So that's all, I think.
Okay, great. I also wanted to remind you, those of you who didn't read our news on the Telegram chat or Twitter, or just forgot to read it or anything, we just launched a platform for developers, and we invite everyone to join it. You can solve some puzzles that we are ready to outsource for profit. So you're welcome to join it, and we are welcome to use this platform. The more you use it, the better we know if there are any bugs or if something needs to be fixed. So we need your help on that.
Yeah, right notice.
Yeah, some bugs, they just can be unnoticed sometimes. It's not a big deal. For today, I guess that's it for staking. If you guys still have any questions unanswered, you are free to write them in our chat or just DM me on Telegram, and I will forward it to the team, and we'll make sure that everyone gets a response to all of the questions that you've got. And I guess for today, that's it, and we'll see you online.
Yeah, and thank you, Tasha, for inviting us. I think it's a good idea to invite our members from our company and developers and me to get acquainted with us. So you are welcome to write us in our social media networks. And thank you all.
Yeah, sure, we'll invite you more often now. Yeah, since I know that you are eager to participate in that kind of stuff, I'm gonna invite you more.
Yeah, that's great news.
That's really great. Thank you for joining today, and thank you for setting aside some time to answer the questions of our community. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you online. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.